I wasn't born on this planet. I came here to find my love.
Good book, that. A cheesy classic, but it just makes your heart melt. Yeah, you can say that. I'm Serena. Serena Terra. I'm Alessandra Light. You can call me Anna for short. Okay, Anna. I understand this might sound a little weird. I know. You do? I've been waiting too.
I have powers where I'm alien. If you touch me, you'll die immediately, and I can see the future.
You like the place? I know it's only a one-bedroom apartment, but I mean, I can sleep on the sofa and you can go upstairs.
I love it. It's almost as much as I love you.
You know, if you quit your dream to become an author, I think you'd make a great poet.
Thanks, but don't you have a dream of your own?
A dream of my own. Anna, listen, my only dream was to be with you. And now I'm with you, anything is worth it, as long as I get to see that smile on your face. We've talked about this, Anna. No!
I'm sorry. What's up?
Anna. Anastasia, we've known each other for a long time and, well, I've always known we were meant to be. It's the whole reason I'm here today, and it's the reason I love you. And, well, will you marry me?
Yes.
The minute I saw you in my vision is the minute I knew that I loved you. It's the whole reason I'm here on Earth, and it's the reason I'm never going to leave. I love you so much.
I, Serena Terra,
I am Anastasia Light.
take thee
Take thee.
to be my lawfully wedded wife,
Take thee to be my awfully wedded life. Wife.
to love and to cherish,
To love and to cherish.
to hold and to honour,
Hold and to honour.
to keep safe in any safeful form.
Keep safe in any safeful form.
I love you.
I love you too.
That's impossible.
Impossible? Look who you're talking to.
Even for you.
It's alien, Anna.
Is it safe?
I promise.
Okay, let's have a baby.
A token of the mother. A token of the sin. Kuni Muna Asuna. A symbol of a child. Kuni Muni Kuna. A symbol of hope. Saucy madness. Akuni Wuna. Show me the fate of my children. Show me the fate of my child. Whatever it shall be, I shall know.
My children, how close to you.
Mother, every year I come and see you, and every year it gets harder to know you've been this far away from me. I love you, Mother. I love you so much. I'm your twin, and I'm the one who killed our precious mother. No, it can't be. I have to tell Anna. She'll never forgive me. Anna, I know what you're planning, but we've talked about this.
I'm keeping both.
You
End of
can't!
conversation, and I am.
You can't deny fate.
Fate, they haven't been born yet. They don't have any fate.
They don't have a choice,
They do.
and neither do we.
We have a choice. I don't know about you, but I have a choice, and so do the girls.
Do you think I want this?
Obviously.
I do not.
You're starting a massive argument about it and saying that our girls are going to be evil.
No, one will be evil, one will be good.
That's not fair. Lots of people have bad children.
You think they're normal? They're going to be like me, okay?
They're obviously going to be a little bit like you.
What would you name them if we could have kept both and been together?
Rosie after my mother, and Jessica because I've always liked the name.
I would have followed my culture and named them. You see, when your wife gets pregnant, although we don't actually have, never mind, but when a child is ready to be born, their names are written in the stars. So for our good child, Amaterasu Hisayako, and for our bad, Sugyoshi. I knew you wouldn't understand. You're human.
Don't talk to me like that.
What one do you want?
I'm not, what kind of question is that?
What do you want?
You pick.
I'm going to give you your best option. We can't keep both.
And then I die.
Anna, I'm sorry. I love you.